name is Malea, and we're making Ghirardelli Brownie mix. And we have my bowl, my eggs, and my brownie mix, and then my water and my oil. So we're gonna get started pouring the water, and then the oil, and then the egg in the bowl. Now I'm gonna add the brownie mix. Mix it up. Carefully. Be careful stirring. Look what it looks like. Chocolate. Still stirring. Now I'm gonna start pouring in the pan. Now it's time to put it in the oven. Now we wait 45 minutes for it to cook. The brownies are done. Yum yum in my tummy. Best brownie ever.